Elizabeth Mitchell stars in the new film Witch Hunt and spoke exclusively with HL about playing a quiet hero and what she thinks about those insane Outer Banks theories regarding Carla. Elizabeth Mitchell is one busy woman these days. Following the premiere of Outer Banks Season 2, she is now starring in the film Witch Hunt, which is now available on digital and on demand. Elizabeth explained in our exclusive interview why she was drawn to the film. I got to work with Elle, Callahan, and I got to work with Gideon, Adlon. I was excited about working with both of them, Elizabeth told HollywoodLife. They're a strong, independent, amazing filmmaker and actor. I also read the scripts, and I love the script. I love the character. I find playing heroes to be such a gift. It falls into that whole thing where we always want to be the good guy. I was drawn to Martha because I find those quiet, true heroes exciting. I really enjoy playing them, especially the quiet ones who ask for nothing in return. A mother's love kind of thing. They fascinate me for sure. So those were all the myriad of things that brought me to this project. It was fun, the idea of working with so many women as well. Her character, Martha, runs a safe house for witches and has to pretend to be something she's not. She has to pretend to go along with the world as is. And it's broken, obviously, and she has to straddle the line of both. She has to be a convincing member of her society in order to keep her family safe and also the women that she protects safe. So there are quite a few hats. She's obviously a very dedicated mother. However, the movie is also really scary, according to Elizabeth. We find out at the end the why of why she's so certain about what she's doing and why she's so dedicated to it. It's heartbreaking and fascinating and all those good things, she added. Elizabeth was also drawn to the role because of the parallels the film has to the real world. As a woman in our world today, what really was interesting to me is women and women's power and what happens when women have power and who is afraid of that, Elizabeth explained. How does that get policed? What happens to our freedom? That's something that was fascinating to me and one of the reasons that I thought it kind of drew some interesting parallels. But I do think there's something in here for everyone to take away. During the summer, Outer Banks took over as one of the top Netflix shows. Elizabeth made her grand entrance as Carla Limbri in Season 2, and fans have come up with a ton of theories. One theory is that Carla is related to John B. Another is that John B.'s bandana is actually the shroud Carla wants to get her hands on. Elizabeth weighed in on the bandana shroud theory. Wouldn't that be completely amazing? It would make sense. I have to say the Pogues are extremely gifted with the way they walk through life. Maybe they've been walking around with the shroud all along, Elizabeth said. Outer Banks hasn't been renewed for Season 3 yet, but Elizabeth is already totally down to come back. I had so much fun playing with absolutely everybody, she gushed. I would love to do it again. I mean, there's something fun about joining an established show where everybody has already made it amazing because that means you get to come in and play. I would love to join them anytime.